Why is your car ringing? There are many lights inside the door. They all have a place to hold them in place, prevent vibration during driving. After installing the ambient lights, if a harness is not fixed properly, the wire loop shakes inside the door, hitting the door as it travels. Especially when you are on a bumpy road. Playing music, the sound vibrations cause the internal parts to collide. So a solution: the wiring harness must be fixed in a blank space, divide it into sections, and hold it in place. When you remove a door, when the doors go back in, easily damaged missing. When I put the door back in, make sure you put in a new clasp. Damaged clasp must be replaced. Second, you can use white cotton to stick a cable. The control box module cannot be covered with soundproof cotton. Take a sponge and tape it to a blank space. Technology is one thing and carefulness is another. Need high temperature resistant glue sticks and use ultrasonic welding. Anyone who puts their mind to it can do it. When the doors go back in, that's all for this video. I hope you found it helpful.